Thinking about starting a vending machine business and wondering if forming an LLC is the right move? In this video, I'll guide you through the steps of forming an LLC specifically for a vending machine business and explain how it can benefit you. From protecting your personal assets to making your business appear more credible, an LLC can help you build a strong foundation for your vending machine operations. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your vending machine business LLC for free today. Let's get started. Why form an LLC for a vending machine business? Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why forming an LLC for your vending machine business makes sense. Reason 1, limited liability protection. One of the biggest reasons to form an LLC is the protection it offers for your personal assets. Running a vending machine business comes with risks like theft, equipment damage, or a potential liability from accidents involving your machines. An LLC creates a legal separation between your personal finances and your business, so if your business runs into any financial or legal trouble, your personal assets such as your home, car, or savings are protected. Reason 2, professionalism and credibility. Having an LLC can give your vending machine business more credibility. It shows suppliers, locations where you place your machines, and potential partners that you're running a serious professional operation. When you're negotiating placement contracts for your machines, being an LLC can also help you stand out from individuals who don't have a formal business structure. Reason 3, tax flexibility. An LLC provides tax flexibility. By default, LLCs are treated as pass-through entities, meaning business income is reported on your personal tax return. However, you have the option to elect S Corp or C Corp status for different tax advantages if your business grows. Now, let's go through the steps to form your LLC. Steps to form an LLC for your vending machine business. Choose your business name. Select your state. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Get any necessary licenses or permits. Step 1, choose your business name. The first step in forming your LLC is selecting a name. You want a name that reflects your vending machine business and the type of products or services you offer. For example, if you specialize in healthy snacks, your business name might reflect that niche. Check your state's business name search tool, usually found on the Secretary of State's website, to ensure your name is available. Remember to include LLC or limited liability company in your business name to indicate its legal structure. Step 2, select your state. For most vending machine businesses, it's easiest to form your LLC in your home state, especially if you plan to operate locally. Forming your LLC in your home state simplifies compliance and tax obligations. Some entrepreneurs look to states like Delaware or Wyoming for their business-friendly laws, but it's usually better to form your LLC where you'll be operating your vending machines to avoid additional costs and paperwork. Step 3, appoint a registered agent. You'll need to appoint a registered agent, someone who will receive legal and official documents on behalf of your LLC. Your registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed and be available during normal business hours. You can be your own registered agent, appoint someone you trust, or use a professional registered agent service. Using a service like Northwest Registered Agent is a good option because it provides privacy and ensures you never miss important documents. Check the description below for a link to get a discount with Northwest Registered Agent. Step 4. File the Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is the document that officially forms your LLC. This includes information like your business name, address, and the name of your registered agent. Filing fees for the Articles of Organization vary by state, usually ranging from $50 to $500. You can file online through your state's Secretary of State website, which is usually the quickest method, or file by mail. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is not always required by state law, but it's a good idea to have one. This document outlines how your LLC will be managed, including roles, responsibilities, and how profits and losses will be divided. For vending machine businesses, it's especially useful if you have multiple partners or plan to expand. It provides a clear framework for how decisions are made and how business operations will be handled. Step 6. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is issued by the IRS and is used for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website, and it only takes a few minutes. You'll need this number for tax filing and if you plan to hire employees for your vending machine business. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Keeping your business and personal finances separate is critical for maintaining limited liability protection and simplifying your accounting. To do this, you need to open a dedicated business bank account for your vending machine business. Most banks will require your EIN, articles of organization, and operating agreement to open a business account. Keeping your business finances separate will make tax time much easier and ensure your LLC's legal status is upheld. Step 8. Get any necessary licenses or permits. The licenses and permits you need for a vending machine business will vary depending on your state and the products you plan to sell. In most states, you'll need a sales tax permit, and if you're selling food or beverages, you may need a food handler's permit. Be sure to check with your local and state government for specific requirements to legally operate your vending machines. Conclusion. Forming an LLC for your vending machine business provides valuable benefits, from protecting your personal assets to giving your business a professional edge. It's a smart way to structure your business as you grow and expand. If the process seems overwhelming, consider using a professional LLC formation service like Northwest Registered Agent to make things easier. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then, click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose New Mexico as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 6 days for $50. Expedited processed in 4 days for $85. Expedited 2 days processed for $125. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest Registered Agent costs $0, which saves you $200. Additionally, the filing service fee of $100 is also free, which results in a total savings of $300. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest Registered Agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then, set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address. Business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium mail service, Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your vending machine business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. Click the link in the description to get started with forming your vending machine business LLC today. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on building and scaling your business. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your vending machine business.